HSNDS Private Limited, a global leader in manufacturing and supplying core relief items, is dedicated to creating lasting positive change through innovation. In their pursuit of sustainability, HSNDS has partnered with DSG Energy, marking a new era in eco-friendly innovation. DSG Energy, a trailblazer in on-grid solar solutions, was entrusted with the task of powering HSNDS operations with clean, renewable energy. The 1 MW solar power plant significantly reduces HSNDS carbon footprint, providing sustainable energy to power critical operations. Using the latest Huawei inverters and cutting-edge solar technology, DSG Energy transformed HSNDS energy landscape, ensuring a greener future. This solar installation enables HSNDS to continue its vital mission, empowering communities in need with life-saving resources. Powered by DSG Energy,